Convert to decimal notation. Since -5/8 means -5 divided by 8, we divide. And temporarily, I'm going to ignore the negative sign and take 8 into 5. Well, it doesn't go in, so we'll put a decimal. 8 goes into 50 6 times. 6 times 8 is 48. Subtract, leaving a result of 2. Put another 0. 8 goes into 22 times. 2 times 8 is 16. Subtract, leaves a 4. And last, 8 goes into 45 times. 5 times 8 is 40 with no remainder. So 5/8 is equivalent to 0.625. So -5/8 is equivalent to -0.625. This is an example of a rational number since the decimal equivalency terminates. The next fraction that they're asking us to convert, similarly, we will take the numerator divided by the denominator. Since this is an equivalent expression, if you do the division, the result is 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, continuing in that pattern. This is also an example of a rational number. It doesn't terminate like this, first example, but it sets up a pattern. We have notation for abbreviating repeating decimals by writing a bar over the portion that repeats itself. So we have an equivalent decimal to the fraction or rational number 7/11 of 63 hundredths repeating.